application after downloading it to your PC. Go to Presentation. After selecting Presentation, you'll see a blank presentation option as well as several templates. You can either choose the blank presentation or one of the templates. For this example, we'll go with one of the templates, as I've shown you. We already have some recently used templates over here, so we'll go with this one. Alright, let me select the template. After selecting it, you'll notice that each template comes with multiple pages. This particular template has 10 pages. For this illustration, I only want to use 4 pages for my presentation. So we're going to select 4 pages from the list and drag them over here. Or you can simply use the plus button to add them. That's what I'm doing currently. Once you've selected the number of pages you want to use for your PowerPoint presentation, we're ready to continue. We now have all 4 pages over here. What you need to do now is click on each page and delete all the existing text and other elements you don't need. Press Ctrl+A to select everything, then delete. Ctrl+A, then delete. Let me repeat the same process for the remaining pages. Over here, I'd like to change the name to Tech Parabola. That's the name of my channel, so I'll use that. To add a text, click on the text at the left side of the panel. Upon clicking, you'll see options like add a heading, add a subheading, and more. Click on add a heading, then type whatever you want. In my case, I'm typing exploring AI technology and digital information. Adjust the size, position it properly, and then move on to the next page. For the second page, add a heading just as we did on the first page, then enter your text. Repeat the same procedure for the third, fourth, and any additional slides in your presentation. So now that we're done with that, it's time to apply the animation effects. Go to the top and click on Animate. A new panel will appear showing different animation effects. You can animate the entire design or just the text. You'll see categories such as simple, sleek, fun, and bold. If you want to animate only the text, you can do that. If you want to animate the entire page, you can choose that option as well. Let me scroll down a bit to show you some of the available animation styles. There are several options to choose from, so simply pick the one you think suits your presentation best. For this page, let's go with fun. Then, repeat the same process for all the remaining pages. Once you're done applying the animation effects, you can set the duration for each slide. For this one, I'll set the duration to 8.5 seconds. I think 7.5 seconds works better. Then, I'll apply the same duration to all the pages. Once you're done, go to the top right and click Download. Instead, choose the appropriate presentation format, then click Download. And here's the preview of everything. Wow, that's amazing. Click the subscribe button for more exciting and engaging videos.